Hello everyone, MSRNDA 2007 here, and today is Tuesday, August 3rd, 2021 at 11:09 p.m. Central Daylight Time. And this is going to be the August 2021 Oklahoma statewide required monthly test. So, yeah. So, here on the WR400, I have 92.5 KOMA. On the 12519, I have 98.9 KYIS, 96.1 KXXY, and then 104.1 KMGL, 88.9, that is K-Love, then 100.5, can't remember what that is. And then this is new. This has 103.5 KVSP. And also, down here on this thing I have 94.7 The Brew KBRU. So, yeah. Hopefully this month, my cable provider realized they work properly. Although, for the past 2 weeks, they've been failing their own required weekly test. So, yeah. Like I said, KOMA, KYIS, KMGL, K-Love, KXXY, KBRU, something KVSP, and then I'm going to have 1019 the Twister KTST. Yes, there is actually a station here in the Oklahoma City area called the Twister. It's 1019 the Twister KTST. It's a country station. Let me look up the frequency for 100.5. 100.5 FM, Oklahoma City. KATT, that's what's on 100.5, which is on the ER10. KATT. Then 88.9, like I said, that's K-Love. So, yeah. KYLV. KYLV, that's what 88.9 is. Like I said, that's K-Love, and that's on the Verge 5 Deluxe WR300. So, yeah. So, yeah, 96.1 is the primary station. So, yeah. It's 11:13. So. Go ahead and turn this on. This should have enough charge to be able to last through. This is on KOMA, isn't it? Oops. .5.
Operations Center. In the event of an emergency, this system will bring you important information. This test is now the State Emergency Operations Center. In the event of an emergency, this system will bring you important information.
He was a shortstop in the Yankees farm system. Really? You never heard of him?
This is a test of the Oklahoma Emergency Alert System. This message originated from the State Emergency Operations Center. In the event of an emergency, this system will bring you important information. This test is now concluded.
The Choctaw have always been a people on the move, from traditional dances to the game of stickball, while we still proudly celebrate our heritage. The Choctaw Nation of Oklahoma,
They doing it?
we encourage physical activity and healthy lifestyles through our wellness centers and health clinics.
Okay.
Anytime, and then every other. Thanks for being here, babe. It's good to be back.
What's the other one?
Maybe that's why he started.
Here we are. You almost had it. You almost had it.
Here, hearts beat a little faster. And might.
This is a test of the Oklahoma Emergency Alert System. This message originated from the State Emergency Operations Center. In the event of an emergency, this system will bring you important information. This test is now concluded.
Back again. I see what you're doing, but, you know, not acknowledge it.
Where you were. You have the package in there.
Stupid, clumsy lie, even a child could see through. That's a laugh.
Get medical help right away if you get a lump. I didn't get a paycheck, so it was like immediately back to Hollywood and Highland, and you know, hopefully they didn't cancel my LA Fitness membership. So
I also lost to South Korea, so you're saying how the heck did they get in?
Up, wrong thing. I meant 7, 1, 2. Up.
Saturday night.
Why is it so complicated?
How long did that job last?
Just watching the volleyball and I got.
This is OETA PBS.
Yeah, I see what you're doing here.
Yeah.
No,
Republic, not one but two sisters.
We're not wasting the court's time, Doctor, reviewing the fact.
5-1 lead, 12.
about photography. Footballed it because obviously, you know, I was just trying to.
test of the Oklahoma Emergency Alert System. This message originated from the State Emergency Operations Center. In the event of an emergency, this system will bring you important information. This test is now concluded.
Notice on my door, so it didn't really work out in my favor.
Then do not call to
Wait, 13 will do it.
That is right.
Any time of day.
I love having people tell their stories about how they got the gigs, because I have an interesting story about something like this.
Let's try 222.
118 is the penal code.
That'd be KOCO. Same thing with that.
People say,
And 1, 2.
So, are you really married?
4 friends on a treasure hunt, and I was like, that's the Goonies.
Right.
It's for sure the Goonies.
Right.
Like, I don't want to destroy that, so I passed on it. I was like, no, not doing that.
Worry you that Miss Johnson might use what she knew to that?
Show came up, and I was like, I'm so broke.
So, you and Roxanne are...
Lo and behold, 2 weeks later, after I destroyed.
You married?
You know, what do you think about this project? And I said, no, I'm not doing the Goonies. She goes, it's not the Goonies.
I was worried that there might be a situation. As long as you're okay with it, it's fine with me.
Italy was sitting in my borderline evicted apartment.
You were in no way.
You know, for us both to leave our...
Friday, you definitely did get the job, so thank you so much for, you know, your...
Oh, what's that, 15?
This message originated from the State Emergency Operations Center. In the event of an emergency, this system will bring you important information. This test is now concluded.
So that was also from KFOR, which had the Olympic coverage. The coverage of the Olympics.
The idiots.
So that one that
I got the job.
I just got, that that's KAUT, that's owned by KFOR.
He got the call first, and I thought I was fired. You know,
Which
I thought I
is
did
the
job.
people who had the Olympic
I got a
coverage.
call with the other kid who was going to play.
Yes? Are you listening?
I'm just going through whatever channels I could think of.
If Dean was in the house when Roy Galen got there, then...
And he goes,
They will probably relay first.
I was like,
Everything.
Oh yeah, I remember the show.
What's cool?
I remember that from June's monthly
first
test.
dinner with everyone at Netflix. So they looked at.
Nelson Catch!
Oh, the Galen. Now you could not have...
I don't know if they'll do it. OETA.
We'll be right back with music.
They have Tulsa stuff. They get stuff from NWS Tulsa. OETA does. I think I mentioned that before. I'm just going through whatever stations I can think of.
Blue shirt guy? All the time. I've been up.
We'll see what station relays first.
For a breakdown. We have to fight together. Give much as
Enjoy the toasty, saucy
Which one of y'all is going to relay first?
Air's fresh.
managing my moderate to severe.
I'm not sure how the order goes as far as TV.
Oh, chicken. Don't mind if I do. You're hungry.
Me for being there for her.
You see,
Biologic for people.
Dad.
For bundling made easy. Go to. And many achiever.
Seriousness.
Can't be.
Blood, liver, and nervous system.
KOCO is usually good at relaying the test. That's the ABC station.
To areas where certain
So when you see that's Fox, KOKH, I absolutely hate them.
If you have.
Because nothing is better than Brahms.
Oh yes, good old Brahms.
Is possible. Quarters. One button left. We have everything. With the everything, but it is your plate. Lots of for home for Nike.
Better than you.
Flat powered.
And now,
You know, I think KOCO relayed while I was catching KWTV, which was the one with Stephen Colbert.
that's why I love
Can't entirely be sure, but now that I think about it, I think that's how it is.
beauty products are safe and cost a whole lot today.
America, it's always been the dream. We work closely with insurance companies and real estate agents. Call Real Pro Local. Free inspections, free estimates.
Yes, that is Ghostbusters you hear. Luckily, I don't think it's copyright.
Summer, turning screen time. Here that keeps everyone active. With
The Sleep Center. We
shopping for a new,
you can try.
you get Kelly Blue Book's
For you.
most trusted brand.
Come test drive
Blue Book also.
Sleep Center. Bye.
Sorry about that. My camera reached its 18-minute 45-second or 18-minute 30-second recording limit or whatever.
We got your back. Someone's door and tell them to keep it. Best. There's a lot of shushing going on in It doesn't work, because nobody knows where his shush is.
This is a test of the Oklahoma Emergency Alert System. This message originated from the State Emergency Operations Center. In the event of an emergency, this system will bring you important information. This test is now concluded.
Wins with his #1
During our hottest sale of the year.
Okay, now it's between 712, which is KOKH, which is our Fox station, and 222 Me TV, that's KOCO. Also, so we should be getting something out of them. See, if I use the incredible zoom, mute. If I zoom in, you can see KOCO 5.2. Okay. Go ahead and unmute that, and then 712.
There is no place else. We're going to Newcastle.
That's not right. I typed in the wrong number.
People have talked about, all right, what kind of...
That didn't fool Perry Mason. Me, TV,
Memorable.
entertainment.
Television.
I know I've been
Capable of looking at
Okay, now it's between 222 and 712.
book today.
Me TV, KOCO, and
Their businesses?
KOKH, Fox 25. I absolutely hate Fox News. I absolutely hate them.
I'm saying, just stay off your...
This series, if I'm not mistaken, I believe is on Netflix. Sitch Creek, or however you pronounce it. That. I don't know if you can even see it. I'll get closer.
first degree.
That series, I thought it was only on Netflix. See? Schitt's Creek or whatever, however you pronounce it. That series, I thought it was only on Netflix. Now it's just between the two stations. Whichever one relays first. Me TV should be going in a moment. I think they have to. I think KFC has to air over Me TV because quite a few elderly people, or well, I won't say elderly, but people over the age 65 and older, they watch Me TV quite a few because there's old shows like I don't know. I wonder how it's going to be with the National Periodic Test. Oh yeah, I meant to get into that at the beginning, but let me tell you what's coming up.
I hit a cat.
But yeah, if you haven't heard, the National Periodic Test is Monday at 1:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time. I know, I said 1:20, that's what time it is. Kind of weird.
2:30 Central, the Caped Crusader himself, Adam West, guest stars on The Rifleman. Saturday night at 8/7 Central, horror heavyweights Bela Lugosi and Boris Karloff star in Black Friday.
Yeah. Svengoolan, I'm familiar with that series. It's got a creepy guy. But yeah, National Periodic Test is on Monday at 1:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time. So 2:20 p.m. Eastern, 12:20 Mountain Time, and then 11:20 Pacific Time. And then, in case any of my viewers who are watching this video, in case any of y'all are Canadian, or who live in, if you live in Canada and you want to try and catch the National Periodic Test, then it'll be at, I think, 3:20 p.m. So, let me go over this. The National Periodic Test is Monday at 10:20 Alaskan time, 11:20 Pacific time, 12:20 Mountain time, 1:20 Central time, 2:20 Eastern, and 3:20 Canadian time, or whatever you call it. They should really. I'm gonna give until 11:45. Fox has never really been known for anything great. Our Fox station here in the Oklahoma City area, they've never exactly been the first for something. They're always the last ones to do severe weather coverage. In fact, Fox 25, they don't even have a helicopter. They don't even have any sort of helicopter whatsoever. They have the room for one, but they don't have one. They have KSCO5. They have their own helicopter, which they call Sky 5. KFOR, the people who was doing coverage of the Olympics, they have their own helicopter, which they call Chopper 4. They used to call it Bob Mills Chopper 4. That's what it was to begin with. Then it was called Air Covered Solutions Chopper 4. Now it's just Chopper 4. News 9, or KOKH, they have their own, also have their own helicopter. They have, their own helicopter, which they call Bob Mills Sky News 9. But they actually have a sister station in Tulsa, which is called News on 6. And their helicopter is called
of the Oklahoma Emergency Alert System. This message originated from the State Emergency Operations Center. In the event of an emergency, this system will bring you important information. This test is now concluded.